Hey everyone, it's Drew with Grimstocker Forge. Time to work on something that I've been waiting for a long time for. At 57 years old, I can only hammer for so long before arthritis kicks in. And I think I figured out a way to make a cost-effective press. The goal is to make a 20-ton pneumatic press. I'm going to start with, and I'm a big fan of Harbor Freight. It's not the top of the line stuff, but hey, it's cost effective. This is a shop press, okay, with 20-ton jack, but I'm going to replace that with this pneumatic jack. So once I get it put together, I'll make another video and show you what I'm planning on doing with the, I'm going to make special dies for working on canisters, for shaping, I'm going to experiment. So I'll keep you guys posted. All right, here we go. We've opened up the box. I'm sure if you're a better welder than I am, you could probably build something that's just as good, if not better. But, most people who've seen my videos know that I'm not the greatest welder. But I'm going to start putting it together. Hey everyone, it's Drew with Grimstocker Forge, and I've got Jason here from Leaning Tree Forge, and we're working on the proof of concept for the pneumatic press. It's made from Harbor Freight stuff. Right now it's, I think, roughly we're talking about $500 total. It's 20 tons, pneumatic press. We got to do some modifications, give us a little bit better evenly distributed. There we go. That's the word I need. So Jason's getting ready to do some welding for me. Of course, you guys know how bad my welding is, but Jason's already been working with me on it. I'm getting better. But I hope everybody's having a great day, and I'll catch you later. Good morning. Drew with Grimstocker Forge. Time for our Sunday morning coffee conversation on Saturday. Well, as you saw from a couple videos I posted yesterday, excuse me, that my friend Jason from Leaning Tree Forge up in Michigan came down for the weekend, well, yesterday and today, and we have been putting together a pneumatic press. Before we crashed out last night, we started working on some different dies that we can change in and out. Now it's only going to be 20 tons. It's pneumatic. But going up above that, it gets, I don't know if it's going to be cost effective. It's 20-ton press and stuff. It's all from Harbor Freight. Okay. Basically, the price point is about $500, plus or minus some little odd and ends scrap metal if you have it. But this was the actual frame. I mean, I could look it up again. Say it was about $250, and the press was about $250, I think it was. So, you know, it's right at $500. And Harbor Freight, it's not the greatest stuff, but guess what? It works. And then with financing, you can spread it out over a little bit. They also got the coupons. So, would I like something stronger? Yes. But anything's going to help. So later today, we're going to try it out again, but this time with the dies that we made, we're going to make some canister Damascus. So stay tuned, and I'll keep you posted. Hey everyone, Drew with Grimstalker Forge, and back down here with Jason from Leaning Tree Forge. We've made our die for the canister Damascus. So I'm putting together a can. This is a 2-inch square tube. I think I cut it at 4 inches. We're going to fill it with 1084 powder steel and some nails. And then we're going to throw it in the fire and forge and heat it up and see if our press design works. So stay tuned. I'm going to do a whole video, long series of videos on the pneumatic press once we get it up and running. But I just want to say hi. Keep posted. I'll edit when we're ready. Okay. All pressed up. Yeah, that's okay, we'll get it. Yep. Okay, one out. Oh. Solid building. Yeah, one more press and we're going to cut the can off. There you go, one solid billet. Time to cut it off. It is solid? Oh, it's built solid. Whoops. It's Drew with Grimstalker Forge, and I've got Jason here from Leaning Tree Forge. and we have been having fun in the forge. Our forging press that we put together from Harbor Freight Materials, right at $500, and we fabricated several different type of dies, and guess what? It works. It's a 20-ton pneumatic press. Started a new can for the last blade standing. Here we are right now. We're just over 8 inches, and I think we measured, yeah. Look, I still got about an inch and a quarter still to go. So I got plenty of metal in there. It's 1084 powder with 2% nickel. I've got a bar of 1095 on there and 600 52-100 ball bearings. So we'll see how that comes out. So, but it's time to stop for the night. We got some ribs we're going to grill and just have fun and fellowship for the rest of the night. So everybody, be safe, be nice to each other, and I'll catch you later. Say good night. Say good night, Jay. There you go.